Hi, and welcome to Neo Does Makeup. I am Neo, and today this take 2 is inspired by Esmeralda. So, a long time ago, first year of me doing my channel, I did a Disney week in which I did quite a few of my favorite Disney characters. Some of those looks I still really love. Like, if you look at that Frozen look, I'm like, I don't know what possessed me that day, but damn, I looked good. Like, just 100% honest. I'm like, I still look back at it, I'm like, I snapped. And then if you look at the other ones, just like, yeah, you can tell they're really early looks. Like, I'm not being honest, that Moana one, I know I had to redo that one. Oh, maybe I can do that one this week. This might be a take 2 week for Disney. Woo! Anyway, um, one of my favorite looks I did, but I was like, you know what? I could redo it because the skin was off and so was the lip. I say that, and then the lip I used today, I don't know why this Milani. I love Milani and their liquid lipsticks, but this one, not it. Like, look, can't even see it's patching off. It's getting into my teeth. Ugh. Like, I don't know if you can see it. Hold on. I'm gonna zoom in real quick. You see that? You see that? Wet n Wild doesn't even do that. And I've raved about these before because they look, they work really well. They look really good, and then they wear well. This is one of their Halloween ones, and they like skip down on putting any effort into it, except for the color. Because I mean, the color is really pretty, but my lips feel really dry. Press them together, color disappears, and it stains. So, I kind of wish I would have used the same Wet n Wild lipstick I used, which was Video Vixen. That one works really well. It stays on really well. Kind of does stain, but it's worth it. Oh, by the way, what do we think about the hair? I finally went back. I'm loving it. Okay. Okay, now we can get into the video. Woo. Okay, so let's get started. I already took care of my brows and primed and set my lids. And I'm looking and they're looking really bright on camera. Okay. Anyway, today we're going to be using the Zodiac palette. Which, this is actually the second time I used it. The first time was on an Instagram Live, which was funny because I was actually... Wait, that was actually one of the first times I actually was started talking to one of my friends that I basically like talk to all the time now, James Graham. Yeah. Anyway, we were on Instagram Live, and he was playing with makeup. I decided to play with makeup, and I brought this baby out. And I mainly played with like the pinks and the purples, and then I think I took Virgo on the lid. Which sounds about right because I'm a Virgo and I wanted to see what it looked like. But anyway, today we're going to be playing with the pinks and the greens. So to start off, I'm going to be dipping into Virgo, the matte, and placing that high into the crease. Now I'm going to tip into Matte Gemini, and I'm going to place that just below where I put Virgo. Okay, so Gemini starts to take over where Virgo was, so I did have to just go back in with a little bit more Virgo. But now we're going to dip into... I want to dip into Leo, just to help start to define the outer third. Okay, so now I'm going to take a little bit of the matte Taurus and focus that mainly on the outer third and slightly into the crease. Okay, I'm loving how this is looking. So now I'm going to do my usual trick of like reshaping my eyelid using my Wet n Wild liquid catsuit and Camelback. I'm going to do that off camera real quick, and whenever I come back, I'll be applying Sagittarius, the metallic, to the eye. I'm loving how this is turning out. I'm going to go do this eye and full face off camera. I'll be right back. Oh, and I'm also going to probably do liner. Might do like a subtle wing. Okay, and we're back. And I'm just realizing I have like 11 minutes before my alarm goes off. Anyway, we're going to go back to the eyes. We're going to do my usual trick of taking the same colors down below. Okay, so now I'm going to run a black in my waterline, and I'll be right back. Okay, so to highlight the inner corner, I'm going to take a little bit of Virgo. I just realized I never used the highlighter in here. I want to see what it looks like on the skin real quickly. Actually, because of that, I'm going to take a little bit of that also on the inner corner. Okay, now let's see. It's really pretty, but it is a little too light for my skin. Okay, so that highlighter is a little too light and it's very metallic. So I like how metallic it is. I think it's still just a little too light for me. It works really well in the inner corner though. So now we're going to move on to the lips. Real quickly, I'm going to line my lips using Crucifix. Okay, so that took a little bit longer because I had a phone call, I had an alarm going off, I had everything that could go off. So, real quickly now, I'm going to take the Milani, this is one of their Amore Matte Lip Cremes, and Vixen. Okay, so I need to let this dry. I'm going to apply a second layer because it just kind of needs it. Okay, so I'm going to go clean that up, set my face, let down my hair, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are with the finished look, and I love how this turned out. Honestly, here's the thing. Is it exact, like an exact update? No, that's why I wanted to do this. I mean, honestly, if you look at the original look, it's still not bad. Like the eyes, I love how the eyes turned out, 100%. Still do. The lip, hun, it needed work. Skin was I looked really pale. Okay, even with that low of light, I still look kind of pale, and I don't get it. Anyway. I just really do love this look. And again, I immediately want to break out into song. Just like every time I do something with Hunchback, I'm like, I just want to break out into song. But yeah, I really do love how this turned out. And yeah, the highlight is a lot. That's what happens when you're like, okay, I can do this, I can add more. And then you add more and you're like, okay, maybe I shouldn't have done that. Yikes. I mean, it happens. In this lip, okay, normally I love these. This one is patchy, it patches off, you press your lips together, it kind of disappears. I was going like this, and I could feel it also like stretching and ugh. Like, I don't know how I feel about that. But otherwise, everything else is an absolute win. I love it. And also, I just have to say, these eyeshadows are really good. I don't know why I literally got this in like, November? This is the second time I used it. First time was on Instagram Live. I mean, ugh. Oh my gosh, that's not any ugh. Ugh. Okay. Also, update. Tantor worked really well with this foundation, so I think it might have just been the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, which is weird because it's one of my favorites. And again, I feel like I actually need to get a deeper shade for summer, so maybe I need that and it might work a little bit better. We'll figure that out. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I know this was a long thing, but thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. If you like me and want to see more, please do subscribe and click that little bell button because every time I release a new video, you'll get a notification. Aside from that, I don't know what else to say except thank you for watching, and I do hope to see you next time. Bye.